I'm excited to welcome Paki Gupta of 11th A4, a talented writer who has captured our attention with her story, Life, A Hills of Ups and Downs, that got published in the book Yarn. We'll explore the inspiration behind her work, her creative process, and many more. Paki Didi, what inspired you to write this book? Any particular story that you can share with us?
Okay, so my biggest inspiration for this book has to be my own future. I want to be a businesswoman, right? So the main character in this book is also a businesswoman, and she goes through a lot of challenges in her life, from failures to successes. And I believe this book could be more of a self-inspiration, a self-motivation for me. And for you guys too, whenever you're feeling down, just realize that life has a lot of challenges.
The title of your story is quite interesting. How did the idea for the title come to you?
Okay, so I remember a class I had with Samita ma'am in 9th. So there was this particular paragraph in a story which said that life is like a heartbeat. A heartbeat goes like this, up and down, right? But then when the person's dead, do we see a flat line? That's what life is, ups and downs, right? When you're alive, you will have ups and downs in your life, but when you're dead, life is flat.
That's quite interesting. Has there been any author or book that particularly inspired you?
Okay, does everybody know Sudha Murthy?
Yes.
We know Sudha Murthy. So, Sudha Murthy was actually the only girl in her engineering class, the only girl who worked in Tata. And now look at her, she's such a big businesswoman working for Infosys, right? So she was my biggest inspiration for this book.
That's inspiring. School can be quite hectic. How did you manage to find time and energy to write amidst your school commitments?
I think when you feel like you're writing from your heart, you don't need to find time for it. Whenever inspiration clicks, I write something down, and that's how the story came.
And I think we all want to know if there are any upcoming projects you're working on.
So, actually, Yarn 2 is coming up, and I will be mentoring all the authors in it. So, you guys could be a part of it. I want to make sure you guys have a very fun journey. I will learn, you will learn, right?
Did you ever find yourself writing parts of your story during class? If so, which class inspired you most?
Okay, so this is a very funny story. So, SSC, I was pretty bad at it throughout the year. And I used to write down stories or something all the time. But then I realized if my entire score is good, SSC could be the only reason I'll have a bad score. So I pulled up, played it through, got a pretty good score, right? That's what life is. You gotta click like this.
I believe there must be at least one or many authors, upcoming authors present amongst us right now. Do you have any advice for our new emerging authors?
Can I get raise of hands who guys want to be authors later on? Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. So the biggest advice I can give you is write from your heart. Whatever comes to your mind, write it, because that's the purest form of literature you can write.
And at last, but not the least, what message or theme do you hope readers take away from your book?
I think the title pretty much says it all, Life a Hill of Ups and Downs. I want all of you to know that life has challenges. You will have your ups, but there will be downs, and you should never ever give up, because life can change like this.
Do any of you have any questions to ask from Paki Didi?
Does anybody want to ask anything?
Yes.
Yes? The name of the book. Okay, so the book is Yarn, okay, but then I'm an author in it, A Life of Hills and Ups and Downs. Go ahead. Writer's block. Okay, that is a very common thing that happens to me. I think if you have a writer's block, don't write. It will not come to you. Just wait, think, make your time, and then write.
Have you ever made a story before Life and
Actually, I did. Does anybody know Rebooks? You guys know? Okay, you can search it up. I have written a book on Rebooks. Okay.
How did you get the ideas? Because sometimes when we make something, it would be sometimes different from the topic.
I think you have to understand the topic and then try to connect it with your own life. Try to think of an instance from your own life, right? See, I wanted to be a businesswoman, so I wrote a story where the main character was a businesswoman. I took it more of as a self-motivation film. Yeah?
Did not make
Yeah, I did. Actually, my cousin, I sent her with her story. She's also the author, right? Okay. Me, I did get caught once, which was pretty bad, but you know, it's fine.